Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a video in Squarespace. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will log into your squarespace.com and you will get right here. So what we need to do is we need to log into our Squarespace. You will select the website you want to add it and then you will get right here. Select the page and click on the edit option. Now we will be able to add different sections and different elements to our website. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit to find an empty section we have right here. Okay, so select the section and then you're going to click on add block. In ad block, we have a bunch of different options. We have text, images, buttons, quotes, lines, audio, and then we have video right here. So you're going to select the video option that will add a video on your website. So you can now actually move it wherever you want it to be. So I'm just going to place it in the middle. We can also make it a little bigger if you want. We can also make it like a little like this. Okay, perfect. So we have our video here added. Now we're going to click on the edit button and click on add a video. So we can upload a video to our website from our computer, or we can also get a link. So in my case, I'm going to click on add from link and enter a YouTube video link right here. So you will copy and paste the link. I added a link right here. I'm going to click on add. Squarespace will automatically fetch the video for you. This is actually a YouTube video from our channel. So once it's added, that's it. This is how you will be adding a video on your Squarespace website. It's actually really easy to do. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.